What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's video, we do have a few peculiar things to go over and discuss. As you guys know, over the past couple of days, we've been tracking what was appearing to be some sort of a bearish reversal or correction descent back down from some pretty solid, symmetrical triangles, bull flags, ascending triangles. We actually broke down through some solid supports, and we have fallen quite a bit, and we're now kind of getting held up or held for the most part by some sort of support that we do have to look at here. Now, you can see across the board, I want to pull up really quickly all these cryptocurrencies. Let's look at XRP right now. To start, you can see XRP clearly shows signs of some sort of support that's holding the price of XRP up. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now using this price floor as a means of support. There's a chance we could start to reverse upwards from here, which is exciting. Now, we aren't in any trades, and right now, unfortunately, we are kind of sitting ducks right now, which is totally cool. It's fine with me, and we are waiting for that perfect opportunity to get back in. But I do know that trading inside of this is definitely an aggressive trade nonetheless, so there is going to be risk, from to go back in or to buy back into these. So we're going to have to be a little bit more cautious, if that makes sense. Now, moving forward, we are going to be looking at Ethereum. And you can see now why I believe XRP has the chance to move up, because not only is it at a floor, you can see Ethereum is also at a price floor. And you can see we've been tracking this massive, mega ascending fractal on Ethereum here, where prices are bouncing off bottom support, bouncing off top resistance, support, resistance, back down at support again. So you can kind of see where I believe we're going to be going to, kind of this bounce little reversal back to the upside here, as we are at a floor as well. Then you see Bitcoin teeter-tottering down, almost like a stair-stepping pattern. We'll see where exactly this decides to go. Pretty peculiar. And then finally, we're getting that pullback on the S&P 500. Big drop yesterday here. I think we fell quite a bit actually here. Let's take a percentage right here. We'll do a price range, and from top to bottom, it's fallen about 1.3. Nothing crazy, but this is a very substantial, one of the biggest red candles we've had probably since maybe going back to April. I would think going all the way back to March here. So it's about time we start to see the markets pull back down, because boy, has it been a long time of runs to the upside here that I think is overbought. But with that being said, guys, remember, we're still doing our crypto coin display giveaway. Drawing ends actually tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day to enter the giveaway, so make sure, if you want to win this $130 crypto coin display ticker completely free, that you comment these two things down in the comment section below. Comment subscribed, because I will be checking, and also comment XRP giveaway. If you don't believe me, check out everybody else that's commenting there too. I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed, you will not win one of these, as once I pick the winner of the drawing, if I see that you're not subscribed, I ain't sending this to you. So make sure to comment subscribe. If you would like to enter, or you would like to get multiple entries to increase your odds, I know a lot of people are curious about that. What you can do is go back on every video in the past week up until last Saturday here, and you can just comment XRP giveaway subscribed on every video up until today and tomorrow, and you will get entered. So you can increase your odds. There's up to 7 entries you can do. So comment XRP subscribed and XRP giveaway and subscribe on each of those videos for your chance to win this. I will be doing this giveaway away. Drawing ends Saturday. We'll be picking a winner Sunday morning, so stay tuned. I'm super excited to give one of these away. I have it on display in all my videos right in the background here. You can see sometimes I'm blocking it, sometimes I'm not, but make sure to enter that down in the description below. With that being said, smash the like button, turn up post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, pulling up yesterday's video, you can see here, this is pretty peculiar as to what we're talking about here. Now, we've been tracking, I can go all the way back. We've been tracking kind of these symmetrical triangles. You can see we broke bullish from the symmetrical triangles about a week ago. This was the second breakout here. We started to form an ascending triangle, which seemed more bearish. Then we actually broke bearish from it. We were talking about what exactly is happening, trading sideways in this flatline channel on Bitcoin here. Then we started to break through the ascending triangle on Bitcoin. We broke through the sideways channel on XRP, and then we broke through the sideways channel on Bitcoin here. And then we started to discover, is there a fourth breakout coming here? Because on XRP, it sure does seem like there could be some sort of downtrend forming here. And I'll explain more about that in a second with you. And then yesterday, we talked about the fact that we're starting to see us retest the bottom support on Ethereum's, ascending fractal, which is typically a bullish movement here. So there's lots of things to go over and discuss in today's video. I am excited. We might run longer, but it is what it is. As you guys can see, most of the cryptos, it's just consolidation. We're down 0.4%, and everything is, it's just floating. XRP took the biggest hit, it appears, over the past 7 days, but everything else is just measly floating sideways. Nothing really in particular that's standing out right now that we need to pay attention to, but we have found a floor here. We definitely found some sort of floor on XRP, which is good news. We've made multiple consistent trades off of XRP over the past couple of months here. You can see we've been, consistently following the bull flag breakout. Here was the first one back in January, at the beginning of the year. We capitalized off this run to the upside here. Big profits right here. Then again, we have the bull flag formation here. Second, we confirmed out of this. That was the second bull flag breakout here. Big profits. Here was the third, just like this. Once we confirmed breaking through this, this was a monumental. This was very exciting news with the XRP lawsuit here. But regardless, we capitalized off this third breakout and we made a crap ton of profits off these trades, which is very exciting. Hopefully you guys took advantage of it too. I know a lot of you guys took advantage of it, messaging me on Instagram, messaging me in the comments, messaging me on Patreon, which you guys should check out if you're interested in my trades. So make sure to check all that out in the description down below. But here we are. Then continuing from this bull flag breakout, we talked about the ripple effect here, filling in the gap. We saw this movement here. We started to see a symmetrical triangle. So we drew kind of like a downtrend and a support. We capitalized off this break. It was something like this. I don't remember. I'd have to zoom in on the 4-hour, but we capitalized off that run. Then we extended it out to an ascending triangle. We saw price ceiling and support. We figured, oh, maybe we'd have a little bit more here before we break down. We broke down early. No biggie. This was a short opportunity, which we also took advantage of. Then we found a support, and that brings us to where we are today. We are retesting a floor here, and that's what's holding us up. So it's definitely tough. We did get stopped out from the short, which is totally fine. We locked in profits, but now it's like, are we going to break through the floor and fall all the way down to our moving average, or are we going to reverse back up? There's two, obviously, very different outcomes we can take here. I don't know for sure or for certain which one of those it's going to be, but I would likely think a drop to the downside is what I would expect to see happen first before we see any sort of breakout. Potentially. I don't know. You just have to keep your eyes open. At this point now, I'm changing my decision. It's honestly 50-50. And I know you guys are going to go crazy, but it really comes down to here are the entry points and exit points. If we break through floor at 70 cents, that is a very good entry point to short to the downside here. Vice versa, what gets us really aggressive in trades, conservatively would be a break through this to the downside, but aggressively would be trading inside this channel here. There is a chance for a reversal. I think that we're more likely for a reversal than a downtrend here, but I would think if we saw this first, it would definitely be a lot more aggressive on a trade. Now, obviously, we do these trades on BidFight, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. Obviously, we haven't been doing much. We've been trading sideways, so we haven't really had much of a trade to do on BidFight, but BidFight lets you buy long. It lets you sell short. It lets you create stop losses. It lets you take profits. You can short and leverage trade XRP, which is very unique. Not many exchanges offer that. You can see long, short, so on and so forth here. They have a demo account that gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills, so you can get familiar with the platform completely free and then trade around risk-free. You got nothing to lose to test your skills, which I highly recommend. You can see kind of what's happening right now. The prices and everything is getting very much so filled into here, and a decision is going to have to be made very, very, very soon as to whether we pump or dump. So it'll be exciting to see what exactly comes. But obviously, make sure to check out BidFight, link down in the description below. Remember, they do offer a welcome rewards bonus of up to $2,888 completely free by filling out new user and advanced tasks. So make sure to check them out down in the description below. But moving forward from BidFight and XRP, looking at Ethereum, the reason why I'm more bullish than bearish, and sorry about before with the XRP confusion, but is mainly because Ethereum shows good signs of reversal here. There's lots of things juggling on my mind. But you can see clear as day the higher low patterns here, the clear resistance and the clear floor, the clear price floor here, the uptrend, the moving averages all scream reversal. Obviously, this is going to be the tough part, breaking through $1,800 or $1,900. If we do break through that, that would be the conservative buy. So aggressive trade would be buying in before then. conservatively, we'd be buying in above the daily here. We break through 1900 on the daily, then we close there. Then I would buy in for a long. That's more of a conservative, or I'd say moderate trade. Anything inside of this is definitely more on the moderate to aggressive side here. But buying in earlier would be definitely aggressive. Breaking in above this would be more of a moderate trade to the upside here. But I do strongly believe we are going to see a continued pump to the upside here. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a little wonky right now since we broke through support. We did get in with a short, and we haven't gotten stopped out there yet. So that's actually the one crypto I forgot that we still have open here. XRP, we did get stopped out. Bitcoin, not yet, but it's going to be interesting to see how this wants to pan out because it could very easily continue in a stair-stepping pattern, which Bitcoin does like to do. So it's very possible we can drop downwards here, but vice versa, we could easily reverse back up. So I don't know for certain what exactly is going to happen with Bitcoin here, but I do have a short opened. And we'll see if that continues to play out before it expires. So we'll see what exactly goes on there. As for the S&P, this needs to dump. Like, I'm waiting patiently for a nice healthy correction to the downside here, so we'll see when that happens. But I've just been patiently waiting for this to happen here. But I think it's long overdue for the S&P to see a dip. Nothing crazy, but maybe 5 to 7% for sure. But with that being said, guys, though, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.